Hi guys, this is Young. Guess what we're going to talk about today? We're going to talk about Mavic Mini leaks for the last time. So pretty much all the information is already out. So I just want to compile it in a compact way as possible so you guys know what to anticipate for tomorrow's event, which I'm pretty excited about. So now we have more images leaked and they look really sleek. Sort of touched up images, but they look much more sleek than what we've seen so far. And we now even have complete picture of the box as well as all the accessories inside the box. And just to go through the key specification, I have to apologize because in my last video about the leaks, I mentioned it's going to be 4K. However, video resolution will be 2.7K. I believe that's almost confirmed through various leaks of the suppliers. I think rolling it out at 2.7K, which is a bit disappointing, will differentiate Mavic Mini against Mavic Air. Photos will be at 12 megapixels and we should get 3-axis gimbal. And most importantly, the leaked information showed that drone will be weighing only 249 grams. And what I'm most excited about, and it's pretty much worth sort of upgrading from what I have, is that it should have 30 minutes of flight time. I guess because the drone is so tiny, it can fly up in the air longer. And the distance for HD video transmission will be at 4 kilometers. That's more than enough. Probably 4 kilometers is probably like at Mars or something. Not like in urban area with their enhanced Wi-Fi system. As you guys can see in the box for like the complete package, we're gonna get 3 batteries, 1 charging hub, and 1 sort of mini hard shell case. I wish it's like soft shell bag, but anyway. And the propeller protector, which I'm sure I won't really use. And of course, quite proper looking RC. So are you guys excited about the new drone? I'm excited. I mean, I'm a bit disappointed that it's most likely to be rolled out at 2.7K when I actually film everything in 4K. However, I mean, looking at Spark at like 1080p, which has been pretty good 1080p. So maybe their 2.7K is pretty good 2.7K. And I'm really excited that the flight time will be around like 30 minutes. That's long and that's enough for you to get good shot. So as I said before, I'll purchase the drone. Hopefully I'll get it ASAP. We'll see. I really want to test out whether it can withstand wind at least as much as Mavic Air that I have. And also I want to test out the transmission range in sort of like urban-ish area. And of course the battery time, and most importantly, the video quality of Mavic Mini. So soon I will come back with a real review of the drone. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and see you!